안녕하십니까, 유튜브 크리에입니다. 이번에 해볼 거는 혹시라도 외국인들이 볼 수 있어서 영어로 잘 못하지만 한번 소개해 볼게요. Hello, my name is YouTuber. YouTuber name is channel name is Korea. I don't speak English. A little English, simple text talk. Thank you for play video. Um, uh, your funny time, like and subscribe, please. But simple text view. Um, you are interesting game. More view, funny, angry, sad. Bearing is wrong time. Yeah. It's video channels. Content is in the game. In the game name is Five Not at Freddy 3 and Unity Chance Action Shooting Game. 몬스터 길들이기. now 바람의 나라. It's RPG role playing MMORPG games. It's good. And American game name is Nexus TK. You are bunny. And it's food review. Food is 카레, 볶음밥, strawberry. It's many things. And it's singing a song. Korean sing. Animation song. Has many sing. Simple sentence expression for you, but you are so happy time every time I said welcome. I thank you. Play video. Thank you. Oh my god. English is difficult. It is very difficult. But I am effort to play video. I made to play video. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Goodbye.